Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about erectile dysfunction drugs. Are they any good for you? If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Let me start by saying that when ED meds work, they are great for short-term symptom relief. The real problem with these meds is not that they do not work for every man or that they come with a bunch of side effects. No, the real problem is that they only provide symptom relief. And they do not address the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. So they only give men a false sense of security. And why is this a problem? Well, for about 60% of men, these meds stop working because the underlying problem continues to get worse. But that's not even the biggest problem I have with ED meds. Think of it this way, erectile dysfunction is like the check engine light in your car. When it goes off, it is saying that something is wrong under the hood. Using ED meds is like putting tape over that light. Just because you do not see the light does not mean the problem has gone away. Now here is why I have a big problem with masking the problem. And actually, so should you. Erectile dysfunction is an independent predictor for heart attacks and strokes. So it is vitally important to work at repairing the underlying causes of your ED. It is not just for improved sex. It could very well save your life. So click the link below this video called Natural ED Repair to see what I do to eliminate any signs of erectile dysfunction. And if you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. And to be informed of new videos, just subscribe to this channel and click the like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.